Hi everyone, and welcome to Chazs Lifestyle. Today I will be showing you how I create these moist cornbread with honey butter sauce, okay? I will be using the Jiffy brand cornbread, the honey style, okay? So first we're going to add 1 egg and we're going to whisk that until it's pretty smooth. Next we're going to whisk in our heavy cream. After that, let's whisk in some melted butter. And as you know, I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box. Next, I will be adding in my favorite thing to make my cornbread creamy, okay? We're going to be using the cream style corn. You want to whisk in half. Save half towards the end. My oven is preheated on 400. You're going to follow the box directions, and we are going to be using 2 boxes of cornbread. So as you're mixing still, go ahead and add in that granulated sugar. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and whisk in that last box of cornbread. That is key. Don't mix it in all at one time. You want to mix it in increments, and that will help you get that smooth, moist cornbread. I went ahead and I'm going to add it in some more cream style corn, and then I'm adding in some more cornbread. Just keep going back and forth. So as you can see, it's thickening up some more. I'm going to add in that last bit of the cream style corn, and I'm just going to fold it in really well. I also added in some vanilla extract, so add in about 1 teaspoon. So here I have a little muffin pan. I'm going to add in my liners, and we're going to spray those liners so it's easily to get that cornbread. So like I said, my oven is preheated for 400. We're going to follow the box directions and just use a toothpick or something similar to make sure you check the middle and make the cornbread evenly. Okay, this is very thick, so make sure if you're using something that's just like a regular baking pan, you watch the time. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chazs Cuisines Story. As that is baking, we are going to start with our honey butter sauce. I added in some butter and then I added in some honey. I melted it real good, and then once they're done, throw it on that thing like that. Okay, and just look how moist it is, y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.